No, just kidding. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl ShakiraDenay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this basic look that you see here. It's a quick get ready with me. It shouldn't be too long, but this is the look I'm going to be doing. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm so excited to be here today, actually, because I've been putting it off for so long to actually get started, but I'm finally getting started today. It's going to be a quick makeup routine. When I do my makeup, I do start off by washing my face and then putting moisturizer on, which I've already done. And I already did my eyebrows. Those are already done. It takes me too long, so I'm just going to skip doing them on camera. But if that is a tutorial that you may want to see, please comment in the section below. And yeah, I'll get you that tutorial as well. Step number 2 is applying primer. I go in with Too Faced primer, and it smells so good. It smells like milk and honey and all types of sweet stuff. And I just apply that mainly here because my pores start jumping crazy when I take makeup off, and then I put it on my forehead as well because I'll start breaking out there. Or you just apply it even layer throughout your face. This is the primer that I'm using, just in case you guys are wondering. By Too Faced. Don't look at my nail. But yeah, this is what I buy, and it just smells good. It's a lip plumper by Too Faced as well. I just put this on quick. Let it sit there. If it's tingling, it's working. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation by that, and I do go in with this NYX Total Drop, and I am in the shade Cappuccino, and then I also use a Nutmeg, and I mix these two together to get my complexion. So the darker shade I apply in the darker spots on my face, which is usually the outer spots. I just apply it just like that, and then the lighter color I just apply here underneath my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this Sonia Kashuk brush, and it's a brush that I bought from Target, and it was a set. The set was about $20 or $30, and it's a double-sided set. Maybe it was 20 bucks, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go in and just set my foundation. Great coverage. This NYX Total Drop foundation. Coverage. And I have to use 2 shades to get my color because my skin is just so bipolar. Even though I have to mix it, it's nice to be so close to your foundation color. It's brown girl problems. So after I'm done with my foundation, I go in with my concealer. Normally I use this Makeup Forever palette, and I go in with this concealer here to conceal, but I've been finding lately that when I put this on, it's just a little bit too light and it doesn't match my undertone. So I'm just gonna skip over that and use this NARS concealer today, and this in the shade medium dark. So I'll just be applying a very little bit of this stuff because it's so consistent. It'll go a long way. I'll be going in with that damn blender here. The blender. Beauty is life, you guys. It really is. If you don't care about your appearance, what else will you care about? I just don't know. The only thing I don't like is the dicks out here that'll try to point out some shit. Like, you don't know your own flaws. Like, get the fuck out of here, you know? People like that I f***ing despise. Anyways, next I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Forever palette, and I'm gonna be going in with the darkest shade here for my contouring right here. I'll also be taking this other number 3 brush by Shania Kashuk from my Target. It was about 10 bucks for this brush, maybe not even, I'm not sure, but a rough ballpark, it was about 10 bucks. Great brush. The only thing that my complaints would be with her brushes is that they shed a little bit too much. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go inside of this palette here and then just like really get it, dig it out. Careful when you apply your contour because I don't like the red that this brown is giving on, and I'm not this dark skinned, so it's I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of taken away from my skin tone, and I don't like that. Like, wait a minute. Well, at least makeup is all fixable. Everything is fixable. Yeah, I may have just went crazy with the concealer a little bit. I'll admit that. Just went loco with the concealer. Yeah, I need to look into getting a new contouring shade because I doubt that this is it. Anyways, moving on to the next step, I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty. Yes, I actually wanted to get at least something in the... I've heard so much great things about her blotting powder. I was using black opals. I just didn't like the tone that it left my skin after I put it on there, so I just really have moved away from using that stuff. And this stuff, it's white, it is, but it applies clear. I'm going to show you now. I'll be going in with the other side of the brush that I use to apply my foundation, and it's pretty much a powder brush. So if you have a powder brush lying around anywhere, you could just use that. What I do is I go in, because this came with like a pad that you can apply the blotting powder with. I'm going to take a brush and use it instead. That's the way I can kind of knock the powder loose and apply it to my face how I want to. So I just put it on the brush, and I start with the light areas which I concealed, work to outer, and it just gives your face this soft tone like almost immediately. Do the same thing on the other side. Get that powder on the brush, start underneath my eye, down my cheek to my chin. Look at that. Want to look white. Next, I am going to take this Makeup Forever Professional palette. I'm going to go in with color. So to add that color back to my face, I'm going to go in with this, and I'm just going to apply it here with my finger, as you can see. Just apply it to my cheekbones because you know it's so pretty, and I personally love a blush. I do. I love blush. I love, love, love. Whoever says black girls cannot wear blush, fuck you. Seriously. Anyways, take the same thing, put it over here. Apply it there. Yes, honey. Baby girl. You tell me you don't see that difference. You don't see that? Okay. Okay. And brushes, I'm showing you Kashuk brushes, don't buy them. I mean, they're affordable, so go buy them if that's what you can, if that's all you can afford. But like I said, you know what, I did hear that she's releasing a whole new set of brushes because a lot of people were complaining about the shedding that her brushes were doing, so she did release them. And for a long period of time, her brushes were on sale in Target. I'll give you the gist, but for a long time her brushes were on sale, which is why I bought them, but they were still a little expensive. I'm excited to start editing this video. Hopefully this one won't get too long. Take some mascara, apply this. Actually, Yes, mascara. And I did have some eyelash extensions on. I got semi-permanent ones. I wanted to try them. I was getting tired of the strip-ons. Don't go get them, ladies. Well, you know what? Don't go to the hood and get them done. Because I'll tell you what they do. They don't do it correct. I'm just so tired of people getting over, you know? Like, you go to the hood, you pay these people $30-something, $40 just to do, $30 just to do your eyelashes. And then, like, you know, they pull out your eyelashes. My eyelashes is gone. I don't have no eyelashes no more. That's ridiculous. I am going to take
mixed lip pencil. And I'm just going to apply it right here. Right there in a part of my lip. That's it. That's all. Anything with the top. That's it. That's all.
Pink goes there. I don't know why, ladies, but it does. And then I'm going to go in with some lip gloss, set it off. I'm going to take this Mario Badescu spray, lavender. They say that it's good for soothing your face after you apply makeup on it. And let it sit for a little. Need to look. I was probably in the 11th grade when I started trying to get into makeup. My eyebrows looked like a mess, honey. A mess. You know those people that you see and it look like they just took a pencil and drew their eyebrows on? That's how I was. I did not care, and I just knew I was doing it the right way. I would never do it like that again, but yeah, that's how it was when I started out, and it was ridiculous. Yeah, but this palette is to die for. These colors, they're ambient. They're like, girl. I'm gonna go in with this color down here. You guys really can't probably see the color, but it kind of matches the color that's on my lip, this flower pink. And I'm gonna spray my brush. What you do, take your spray. I'm gonna use my Mario, or your setting spray, any setting spray that you have. Take it, take your brush. You're gonna wanna spray that, get that tip of the brush wet, and you're gonna go in with that. It really does work. Just letting you guys know that now, it does. And I go in with any color I'm feeling like that day, which will always be pink. You know, which will always be pink because I'm always feeling pink. I don't know. Never blue, but pink. Alright, and this is the final look. So, thanks for staying through the whole video. You need it. So, be able to know halfway through. Thank you. I appreciate it. Before you go, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channels for more uploads. If there's a video that you want to see me do as well, please comment that in the section below. Thanks again for stopping by my channel, you guys. Signing out until next time. It's your girl, Shakira Peace, love, and happiness. And try to remember that no one can make you feel inferior without you consenting them. I'm gonna let that sit. So I'm just let that sit. I'm gonna leave, okay? So until next time, peace.